Hello guys, today I will show you how you can send or receive fax messages on your VIVO Y22s. So we have to start from the landing fax app. I choose that one. So we have to open it, add permissions, and if you want to add a document, just click on this little plus and choose source of it. You can choose the PDF from the download files, image from the gallery, or just take a photo. You can see now you can add the shape of your document, and if you are ready, click here. Now just add a filter to make this document more visible, but not in my case, and by these little icons you can add a signature, text, or a graffiti. If you're ready, click here, type a number here, and optional can give a small note. If you want to add more documents, just click on the plus again and do it the same. But if you want to send onto this one, tap on this icon. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.